Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Guys, opting out M-Pharm versus MBA has always been a perplexing situation for a B-Pharm guy, and that is only because of one demerit, that if he or she pursues a plain MBA, then definitely he or she will find himself or herself in the world of extreme competition with all those guys who have done we can say a little bit of non-technical type of graduation, that is BSc or BCom, but yet a powerful MBA, means we can say from a potential MBA institute. So in this perplexing situation, in this problematic worrying, MBA in pharmaceutical management comes out as a fruitful alternative, opening the doors of various newer opportunities in which one can explore its inner potential. Before starting the video, I would like to share one thing, that with a net worth of billions of revenue, every country has its own pharmaceutical arena, and to manage out all these things they need an MBA guy, a management guy we can say. And if that guy is from the pharmacy graduation background, then it will be a situation like a cherry on the cake. So let's explore out every aspect of this course from this video. The differentiating factor of any context critically relies on organization and the structure of course curriculum syllabi. In plain MBA, where you study subjects like finance, HR, marketing management and all. Similarly, in MBA and PM, you study all these subjects but from pharmaceutical point of view. Subjects like pharmaceutical logistic management, pharmaceutical quality assurance, pharmacoeconomics, drug regulatory affairs, pharmaceutical accounting and much more. That is actually only the fundamental differentiating factor between the two. Don't worry about the syllabus. I have given the link of complete syllabus of MBA and PM in the description of this video. Every country has business schools, it's totally understandable. So but for example, if I take the reference of our country, that is Bharat, several business schools are there which offers MBA in PM. And if I talk about some of the prominent and premium ones, then NIPER is the one which is a very good option, that is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education Research. Then NMIMS, that is Narsi Munji Institute of Management Sciences, IES. These are some of the prominent ones. But still, you means from the word several, I means that you have the liberty, you have the freedom to opt out your targeted institute from your state only. And one exclusive thing is that the IIMs, that is Indian Institute of Management, doesn't offer MBA in PM. So because of this, you will have to face a different kind of competition, and also some of the benefits also, which we can figure it out. And if we talk about the fees structure, that goes from 2.5 lakh to 9 lakhs per annum. You might be wondering that how diversified such a widespread fees structure is. That actually depends on various factors, like the premium feel which you have in a business school, means in the presence of the faculty members, placement and tie-ups with the companies, and infrastructure and much more. There are various things which makes a great hike in fee structure. In order to grab a seat in potential institute, you have to crack competitive exams which are almost similar to plain MBA, that is the CAT, ZET, IIFI, SMA, TISNET, JBSET, etc. And along with this institute also, in order to get best out of best, they also place some filters in the form of their own self-entrance examinations. So your preparation will be a key factor in cracking out the seat. Job opportunity is actually diversified. It's completely understandable that definitely you're going to get your first opportunity in pharmaceutical arena. So if I try to be specific, I'll give you an example of PMT. Most of you might have heard about it. That is product management team. In your day-to-day life, you might have came across an MR, that is medical representative, who used to go with a proper well-dressed into a clinic and explain to a doctor about the newer product launching with a pamphlet on its hand and also some gifts of free sample. So all this department, that is the how an MR will deliver its content in front of the doctor, what is the design of the pamphlet, how to market the product and how to get it to its success table. All this has been done by a PMT, that is product management team, and this team is led by an MBA in PM, that is MBA in pharmaceutical management guy. So this is also a very good example. Apart from that, there are also a lot more opportunity in chemicals, fertilizers industries, offering various job opportunities. If you have any kind of query or question, you can please put a comment in the comment box. I'll answer you. With MBA in PM, pros are more than cons. So if I talk about the pros, the first one is that you get an opportunity to explore out the newer insights of pharmaceutical arena. Second is that you will start with a good and handsome package. That is minimum, I believe, 4 to 5 lakhs you will start with. And third is that you get a lesser competition in contrast to plain MBA. Because pharmaceutical arena itself is such a small like a world that there are definitely various kinds of opportunity in that which you can explore them out with your potential. Cons are not too many, but yet it's my responsibility to get you familiar with. The first con is that you will be limited to pharma arena. Since you will be an exclusive pharma guy, so your field of working and tenure will be restricted to pharma arena. Second is that in order to grab a seat in a potential institute which could provide you a handsome package of 4 to 5 lakhs, so for that you have to crack a national level competitive exam of MBA, and for that you have to give your hard work and your time to study all those material which is done by a plain MBA guy. So apart from studying, giving your time in B Pharma and all that, your B Pharma context will not be utilized in that manner, which is much more beneficial for a plain MBA guy. So in a nutshell, the cons are lesser in contrast to pros. In the form of concluding remarks, I would like to add some of the fruitful points which you need to keep in mind before taking the admission. Number one is that check the placement cell properly, because getting and acquiring a handsome package will be a prominent target for pursuing MBA in PM. So the placement cell, you should visit physically the placement cell, check out the proof of tie-ups of company and institute. Means the institute must have a sound tie-up with the placement company. So check it out. Number two, as per the recommendations of UGC, for an MBA business school, it should have an approval of UGC grants. Means apart from, or we can say in contrast to technical institutes or technical courses like consisting laboratory practice and all, MBA don't need any kind of technical affiliation like PCI, AICTE or like that. But still, the UGC approval must be there. So check physically and all about that. Third, most of the institute actually ask for extra fees in the form of development fees and something like that. Don't go for it. Check properly the fee structure from UGC. Also you can inquire, and if you particularly want to know the fee structure of any institute, just email me or just leave a comment in the comment box. I will let you know. So guys, that's all from this video, and in form of final conclusion, that MBA in pharmaceutical management is a very good option for all you guys who want to explore your potential and career in the management sciences. So if you'll find this video fruitful, please do like and share, and also please don't forget to subscribe the channel and pressing the bell icon. So here I sign off and see you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated, work smarter, and good luck.